The religion I saw at my grandparents, all of them. I walked between Baba Rivka and Baba Chacha to shul. I carried their glasses and whatever else, and I sat on the balcony up above and looked down on my Zaydis down below, davening with their great big talaisim. And I saw their fervor. Baba Rivka was an orphan. She was illiterate. But she knew how to read the Siddur. She knew every word. I could see that she was reading. I learned Hebrew. I studied Hebrew in Thomas Jefferson High School. I learned for 3 years. I was the president of the Hebrew Club. At this point, I was a Verbrennte Zionist. She was not a Zionist. She was just a Jewish woman. And she believed, when she prayed to Der Eibishter, for her, it was real. This was reality. She was really praying. God was a living presence in her life. She believed in the rabbis. She went back to her rabbi, her mainstay in life, the year I was born, in 1929, and she went again in 1931. She took a cousin who was barren to the rabbi to have her blessed because she believed in the power of the Rabbonim. There was something incredibly elemental about religion in their lives. Not the rituals. The rituals you see today, from my point of view, look like cardboard emptiness, really and truly. It was part of the every day, every minute of their lives. The way Shalom Aleichem describes the Reb Aaron going to the sink and washing the hand and daven and daven. Baba Rivka Zayde Menashe Einseidler and Baba Chacha and Zayde Mendel. To them, these things were not rituals. They were just part of life. You got up, Baba would say to me, Baba Chacha, you say the Shemin Esra, whatever, and she would tell me the words and I would recite them. She wouldn't let me get out of bed before I recited the words of the morning prayer. It was natural for them. Life was natural progression from birth to death. It was a natural progression of living within the religion. It was easy.